Today we are going to see statistics of class 10 from state and NCERT. There is not so much difference between the content in these books, but today we are going to see mean, that is also called as average, commonly of statistics in class 10. The transition behind you is not even related to this, but maths का दिखा इसलिए डाल दिया, अच्छा दिख रहा था. So without wasting in further time, let's start. So today we are going to see the direct method for solving questions based on mean, and the questions taken in this video are from the state board book, Maharashtra state board book. So you can refer to it if you want to from their website. So today we are going to see the questions by direct method, and to make it easier I am going to tell you how to solve this by direct method by giving an example from the textbook itself from an exercise. So first of all we have to write the class interval. Means the data given in the category. This can vary, like here it is time, but this can vary always. So I am giving a general example. Here you will write precisely time in hours if you are solving. Then here we will write xi. I will tell you about it later. Then here we will write fi, means the frequency or the number of a particular thing given in the data. And here we will write a column of xi, fi. So the xi thing is class mark. And just a minute, class mark, and fi is the frequency. To say class mark is pretty easy to make you understand. Class mark is just like the midpoint of a line, like the middle of something. Just like 0 and 2 का middle जो रहेगा वो 1 रहेगा, 2 and 4 का middle 3 रहेगा, 4 and 6 का 5, 6 and 8 का 7 और 8 to 10 का 9. और अगर आपको अभी भी नहीं समझा तो you can just add these two and divide it by 2. So that is for class mark. अभी हम इसका ये देख लेते हैं, frequency which is given by number of students. So here we have 7, 18, 12, 10 and 3. Now we are going to multiply these two to find our mean. So xi, 7 into 1 7, 3 into 18 54, 5 into 12 60, 7 into 10 70, and 9 into 3 27. So now we have to add these. So first we will add this xi fi. So 7 plus 54 is 61, 61 plus 60 121, 121 plus 70 191, and 191 plus 27 is 218. And if we add the number of total products, I mean here it is not product, it is students. So 7 plus 18 25 plus 12 37 plus 10 57 plus 3 50. Because if you know mean is the sum of the desired thing upon total number of the data we are interested in. So the mean in this example is quite easy to calculate. It is 218 by 50, and if you further solve this it will be 4.36. Remember to put a point here, and as the time is given in hours, so it is necessary to write here as hours. I hope you have get it how to solve it, but we will also see one more example of a milk center sold milk to 50 customers, and here we have to find the average or the mean of the milk sold by direct method. So we will write here milk sold in liters, and we will write here class mark, which we will denote by xi because it is easier to remember and it does not require much space. And xi fi. So here we will write the milk sold data given to us 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, and further 5 to 6. So the class mark for this is the median between these or the middle in between these. This is 2.5, here it is 3.5, here it will be 4.5, so it is 5.5. And we are also given the frequency 17, 13, 7, 13, 10, 7, and 3. So we will first multiply these two, which is 17 into 1.5. So 17 into 5, 85. Here it will be 18 carry, 25.5. Then here 32.5 will come because 2.5 into 12 is 30 and plus 2.5 is 32.5. Then 3.5 into 10 is 35. 4.5 into 7 is 31.5 and 5.5 into 3 is 16.5. So if we add these, we will get here 0 point and here to carry 7 to 9, 14, 15, 21, and here it will come 4 plus 7 plus 3, 10, 13, 14. And here total number of customers is 50. So the mean is easier to calculate now because you don't have to add the products, so there won't be any calculation mistake. So 141 divided by 50 is our desired mean, and if we solve this, it will be 2.82, and we have to use the unit also, so it will be 2.82 liters. So that is it for today. Thanks for